Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tash, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, as you guys can tell by the title, we had a little bit of a mishap while attempting to film this video. So we will insert some clips for you guys right here. Oh my God, can you guys see that? Like how textured that looks? Ew. All right, I'm gonna try to fix it. I don't know what the problem is. Oh my God, you guys, this looks horrible on me. But like this right here, oh my goodness. All right, you guys, I'll be back as soon as this dries. All right, you guys, so because of that little mishap, we are ditching this foundation today. Just an update for you guys, just so you are aware, I did try to put this on my face by itself, no foundation. It does not work for me. So this is good as a setting powder for me only. I apologize, you guys. It's just some products aren't meant for everyone's skin. So that being said, I had to take this off. Now, I did retest out the Maybelline Urban Dream Cover Foundation, as I already mentioned to you guys in the video later. You will see. And that looked gorgeous on my skin today. I'm super duper happy with how everything came out. And we are also going to play with this new palette by Amorus. This is the Noir Fatale palette. I will tell you guys more about this in the video. So let's go on and get into it. All right, you guys, so as you know from partial, like the partial title of this video, we're changing the game plan for today's video. Just to let you guys know, I am retesting out the Maybelline Dream Urban Cover Foundation. I do this a lot with foundations when they don't work out for me, but then I see other people with either the same type of skin that I have or even drier skin and it's working out for them. I'm like, okay, I must have done something wrong. Maybe my skin was in a different place at that time. So as you guys can see, it is looking really, really pretty on the skin. So I don't know. I'm going to continue trying this out for another week. And as I did last time, I will update the description box for my final review of this foundation. But today's video is on the Amorus Noir Fatale palette. And this is their all matte color palette. And I'm just going to go into a full-fledged eye look and play with this beautiful colorful palette. Now this did release about a month ago and I've just kind of been sitting on it. I haven't felt really inspired to play with color until now, so we will get into this palette. so this is the final look that I have come up with. Hopefully I got all the lipstick off of my teeth, and hopefully you cannot tell that my eyes have started to water. It has just been one of those days. Okay, so what I went in with again was the Amorus Noir Fatale palette. This is the newest palette that they released. I want to say again it was about 3 or 4 weeks ago, and I've just kind of been sitting on it. So it is a gorgeous, gorgeous all matte, very colorful palette. You guys, I will do like an actual video on this for you where I swatch all of the shades and we get into some of these kind of more daring colors per se. So we will do that. Really quickly, just to let you know, you do get 32 shades in here total, and they are very pigmented, but like the other Amorus palettes that I have reviewed on my channel here, I will link the video playlist up here or up here, whichever place it goes. These are also powdery and have kickback, but I don't care because the pigment's there. I did not find one shade in here that I played with today that did not give me pigment, so I was really happy with that. And then for the shimmery shade, I went in with the Mama shade, or the Mama palette per se. This is the Femme Fatale palette. This one came first and Noir Femme came second. So I went in with this palette and used one of those shimmer shades. I did a full video on this, and actually I featured it in 2 videos, I believe. So I will leave the other one up here or up here if you guys want to check that out. Yeah, so again, I apologize for the issue with the Too Faced powder, but hey, you will have that. Not everybody's skin is meant to be able to work properly with all products, as we all know. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's little video where I just kind of played with makeup and de-stressed a little bit. Give a shout out to my girl Colorful Camille for the advice on the video today. Thank you, girl. I really appreciate you. She kind of gave me the idea to kind of just, you know, get on camera, do your makeup, and, you know, listen to music pretty much. So I really appreciated that. Yeah, all right, you guys. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I know it's kind of a short one. I will have another video coming up for you guys very, very soon. Really, really quickly, I'm going to give you guys a little bit of a teaser. If you do not follow me on Instagram, we do have some new makeup products coming. I have the new Makeup Forever Velvet Matte Powder Foundation, I think it is coming. The new Natasha Denona foundation. I cannot remember exactly what it's called. And then a couple more products from Sephora. I also have the new ColourPop Aren't You Glad palette. So as soon as ColourPop gets that to me, I will get that review up right away. It just kind of depends on how long they're going to take. And then I also did pick up their, oh honey, the yellow palette. And then the blue one, because I hadn't picked those up. And I'm sure there were a few of you who wanted to see me review those. So I do have some new stuff coming. It's just, when is it going to get here? If you guys have anything that you have seen on Trend Mood lately that you are interested in me trying out, whether it is a complexion product or lipsticks, highlighters, girl, drop me a comment down below. I will see what we can do. There were some more foundations that I was going to try out, but I am also waiting for them to still be released. We are going to test and try out the new Fenty one as soon as it drops in September. I'm also waiting on the new Makeup Forever foundation to drop. It's supposed to be a liquid hydrating foundation, so I'm really excited about that. Still don't know when the release date is, but you guys, she will be coming. So I'm going to quit rambling on. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new here, what up? My name is Tash. I hope that you'll hit that subscribe button before you leave today, as well as the little bell notification so that YouTube can notify you each time I upload, which is 3 days a week. I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an amazing day wherever you are. Bye, guys.